We were really excited when we first saw this place. It was the kind of era that we were looking for, a little bit more heritage, and just being close to the school and close to Glenelg. We really loved the locations, was our first pick. Like some families, unexpectedly they grow, and definitely that happened when the twins arrived. So we didn't really want to leave our home and leave where we live. We decided that we would just build that extra space on and make more space for the growing boys that were going to be taking over our home. We wanted it to look nice, but we wanted that functionality of storage was probably right at the top of our wish list. And then we also wanted it to work well with having a family. So nothing too fancy, but so that it would be able to be just an everyday space for everyone to use. When we came to selecting a builder, we were really daunted by the whole process being new to it. But Al & Co, the boys came in, we met with them, and they made it so easy, and we felt really comfortable with them straight off the bat. They explained things to us really easily, and they went through the whole process and guided us through from start to finish. One of the benefits of working with a small family-owned business is that we were able to take a lot of creative control with our selections and the design process, so they were able to give us the flexibility to be the driving force and to make those selections, and then they built and brought it to life. The staircase, we really wanted it to be the feature point of this living area, but we also wanted to make it functional with all the storage underneath, but also using it as that feature wall for the TV and the beautiful stairs going up. The office is a really important hub for us. My husband needs to work from home, but also running my own small business as well. So it makes it easy to be able to be home with the kids, but also keep continuing with my business. From the beginning, we knew that we wanted to make sure that the two parts of the house really flowed. We knew it would look more modern, but we wanted to have a bit of continuity between the two sections. So using the same floorboards, which were salvaged, making sure that the floorboards flow on from the first part of the house, and so that they had the same acoustics walking through from both sections. The team were really thorough, and their craftsmanship was really second to none. As a family of 6, this space has meant that our lives on a daily basis has been transformed, and as the boys grow and they get bigger, we will have more space to spread out, but even things like just having a laundry to be able to do the washing for 6 people makes such a huge difference every day. So I would 100% recommend Al & Co. From start to finish. They were there, they guided us, they allowed us that flexibility to make our own decisions, and the quality of the craftsmanship throughout the whole build has been amazing.